All right, everybody. Be watching the travelers. We are headed to Albemarle, North Carolina on the 24th. We're headed to Rhode Island on June 6th. Heading to New York on June 10th. And then back home, and then another job out of town in North Carolina. Another part that I don't know exactly where it is. But this is the beginning. Okay? First thing you're going to want to do, and I've showed it on several videos, probably a couple of this one. See how Paul does that? We got all that mark. He's looking for 8 foot. Look at that. See? Breaks dead on 8 feet. Perfect. That's what the lines are all about. So you can measure your next piece. Then he'll call down to Chris. 8 foot. Send it up. 6-inch overhang. That's why these lines are so important.
All time you do with this is just tack it.
Yeah, because we do have to get this off.
Yeah. We tack these first.
Just tacking down. We just need to get plywood on this today. And I mean, if we get some of that tore off, fine. If not, then we won't. But I know we got to buy plywood for that bad boy. $65 a sheet. Holy smoke. Yeah, like $2,500 in material on this job. Anybody who feels like grabbing it?
I'm on.
Okay.
These white nails are messing up my flow.
Your white nails messing up the flow.
Gotta get them out of there.
Man, look at that nice shirt you got. Find us on YouTube. You see that? Find us on YouTube. Drew's Roofing.
That's a real good friend of mine. He does the best work there is.
Find us on YouTube.
I mean, he can be a little bit.
He knows me well because he lives at my house sometimes, so he knows I'm an asshole. If you live with me long enough, you'll know I'm an asshole.
Put your peanut butter.
Don't time in, Billy.
This makes that so strong. You see what Paul's walking? That's weak as hell. As soon as you put this plywood on there, you put 6 guys stand on one spot. You put 6 guys stand on one spot before you put this OSB on here, you're in a mess. You will be in a mess. Probably standing in their kitchen. Beautifulness. I love this. This is my favorite thing to do. Drew, roofing and home repair. We are the Travelers. Make sure you check out that Traveler videos in my playlist. Yeah. Well, it's got all kinds of stuff on his porch, and it's not going to get covered today. Unless you want me to go get the plywood on my way back. But on this here, we can get all the plywood on both sides. We can get all the 2x4s run all around, except for this little spot right here. We just tack it on. We'll be able to pull these 1-2 sheets off or whatever, and get this metal tore off tomorrow, because this is going to get plywood out here. And they're running right at 8 feet, which is beautiful. Yeah, it won't be. There's screws there, so it's going to be we'll definitely have to take up them couple sheets tomorrow. So. Oh, a lot easier. The nails are underneath there, so. All right, Watson on the cutter. Paul on the tape measure. A couple guys with screw guns. This thing flows very well. Nice flowing job.
$44 a sheet.
Yeah, $44 a piece of OSB. Ridiculous. We'll have 2x4s sub fascia running right there. 4-inch face on our black metal with boxing. It's going to be beautiful. Anyway, so I got rid of him. He can't work for me no more. And I won't go to his house, so. Paul, you ended up being short on your first measurement, and then you end up coming short.
What? No, it'll be all right. It'll be all right.
That's nice. We reuse these. We just paint them, clean them up, paint them. The small ones we replace new mushroom caps. That would be a bathroom vent.
Got a hole.
I mean, for the toilets and the sinks. That's just a bathroom vent or the
83
kitchen
and a half.
vent, one of the two. I'm not sure. I've been inside the house.
Coming down, 14 3/4.
That's not my call there. I'm going to Wilmington, so
Your day ain't done yet.
no.
This one's probably gonna be cut. And I need the gables.
The length-wise, they didn't give you a length. Yeah, he gave it to you full because you didn't give him a length. Or you can just leave it long, cut it.
Now I got to put a Gable on. Cut.
Oh, Gable's got to go first. Gable's first. Looking good though.
Yeah.
Bert will be there in a minute.
Up, down.
Safe out? Good as new.
Yeah.
I ain't been off for a minute or two.
Well, we got 6 sheets of plywood.
What are you doing, Bert?
Screwing.
That's the 10 footer there.
Well, y'all got a bunch over here.
Turn it the other way. Turn it the other way.
This way?
Yeah.
But then the lines aren't right.
Don't matter. This has got to be turned the other way.
Sure this isn't one for the porch?